Okay, today is Saturday the 10th of February. Yesterday I had an install done by Abacus for a full AC unit for downstairs and a full AC unit for upstairs. Yesterday when they turned the units on, the unit on this side, number A, made a significant noise compared to the unit on this side, number B. So for this video that I'll make for Abacus, I will record first this one, the quiet one, and then turn it off. Then I'll turn on this one, the noisy one, that I'll turn off afterwards. So for starters, this is item number B. It is the second and third floor, so the top floors, and it has zoning installed. However, zoning is disabled. In addition, this unit is the quiet one, which has the same part number as the other one. So here we go. I'm going to turn that on now. So you hear a slight compressor startup, very short, and then it becomes very nice and quiet. So just for clarity, this is the two upstairs floors, unit number B. It has zones, but the zones are not activated. They're disconnected and all the valves are open. This unit is extremely quiet. I will turn it back off. Okay, now we're going to turn on the unit that actually has no zones, not even physically there. And according to Abacus, the one with the zone would be the noisy one as well. So in this case, this one has no zones. There are no zones installed. This is the same unit number when it comes to the part as the other one. I will turn it on for you. Here we go. Living room. So this is the first floor only, ground floor. So you hear that? You hear the compressor start up in the beginning. It will not stop. This noise is continuous. Yeah, significant different than the other one. This is not correct, and I need Abacus support to come and repair this, or maybe even replace the whole unit. In my line of business, this would be called a DOA, Dead on Arrival, for equipment and technology. I will turn it off now.